like to congratulate One Makiling Binyang City Eagles Club.
Welcome to induction of One Makiling Binyang City Eagles Club for our new members, and this will be the history for One Makiling Binyang City Eagles Club and also for Calabarzon, Laguna, Makiling Region.
Congratulations to the new members of One Makiling Binyang City Eagles Club, and congratulations to the Chartered President, Kuya Deo Galicia. Always remember, look on your brothers with eyes of compassion rather than eyes of condemnation. Once again, congratulations at mabuhay ang Agila.
Congratulations! At sa wakas, magkakasama-sama na tayo ng pantay-pantay. Sana po ay tayo ay patuloy na makatulong ng marami sa lahat ng mga iba pang nangangailangan. At sa lahat ng kuya at ate ng region, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating, pagdalo. At ganoon din po sa ibang clubs na sumama sa amin at dumalo ngayon dito sa aming induction. Maraming salamat po.
Mga kuya natin, it is my honor and privilege to be here. I am so grateful dahil ako ang mag-grace ng induction ng first additional member ng Binyan. Binyan is one of the snappiest club in the region, and I hope magsaya tayo lahat dito at magsama-sama tayo hanggang matapos. Maraming salamat po.
By the virtue of power vested in me by the Magna Carta of the Fraternal Order of the Eagle, Philippine Eagle, as your governor for Calabarzon, Laguna, Makiling Region for Eagle Year 2023, I declare the induction of additional member of One Makiling Binyang City Eagle Club to order. I state your name, having consciously and freely endorsed to be a member, state your club. A club newly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of the Eagle, Philippine Eagle, subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal, socio-civic organization, and the capabilities of my club to carry the pursuits and ideals of the Philippine Eagles, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules, and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagle and by my club, and the Eagles Delicadeza and Moral Code of Ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, and the national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations mga kuya natin. This serves as brotherhood. The second one is friendship. And last is the love of God. Okay? So one more time. Brotherhood, friendship, then love of God.
Alam niyo po, ang pagiging miyembro po ng Eagles Club, yan po ay hindi po, wala pong kapalit po yan. Lahat po panay bigay. Wala pong kinikita po dito. Kaya po lahat po na nagiging miyembro po natin ay puro kawang gawa po at pagtulong sa kapwa ang iniisip. Yan po ang katangian na talagang taglay ng isang agila.
By the virtue of power vested in me by the Magna Carta of the Fraternal Order of the Eagle, Philippine Eagle, as your governor for Calabarzon, Laguna Makiling Region, I declare the induction of additional member of 1 Makiling Binyan City Eagles Club adjourned.
Thank you very much, and once again, congratulations to our newly inducted brothers and sisters.